Gold and silver traded with moderate bullish bias today. We have seen gold moving towards 24.7576. Earlier in the day, I have mentioned a buy at 24.66 and very clearly told that only a bullishness in gold is if you see it is staying above 24.76 levels, and precisely it is shied away from that zone. Yet we have traded in profit, while silver has also shied away from breaking past 3060 zone. So what to expect now from US session? How to profit, where to enter, where to exit? Everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Thus subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do like, share and comment, friends. This is always a great motivation and support from you all. Let's start. First to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch this. Look at the hourly charts for gold. You can find a sharp drop towards 50 period moving average retracement, and it is again willing to break on the downside. We have to wait for 24, 57, 58 levels to be taken on the downside in order to confirm bearishness, which can take the prices in fact below 24.50 levels, where we may aim for 24.44, 24.40 zone as the next target. If you look at the hourly charts right now, you can see it is taking the support from the 20 period moving average here. We have to be watchful at the current levels. Stochastic has dropped sharp. MACD is again converging for a crossover on the sell side, while RSI is running flat and not showing much signs of it. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, likewise, see it is formed as very good support here at the 20 period moving average. We have to clearly wait for it to drop below 24.60, 24.40, 58 zone, which will confirm further bearishness towards 24.50 and 40 levels. Yes, if it stays below 24.50, more bearishness will prevail here. Right now, if you look at the 2 hour charts, higher lows are seen and higher highs are seen. It is right now trading in this bullish channel here. We have to wait for a breakout. Stochastic looking downwards, trying to trade bearish. MACD is also trying to trade bearish, looking downwards here. It can stretch the drop further. RSI is also looking downwards here. Coming to 3 hour, look at the 3 hour charts here. One sharp bearish candle, retracement candle. See, the bullish candles are very you can say smaller in size compared to the bearish candle here. Post that, we have seen one red candle. I will wait for the follow-up candle here, and specifically if it takes it below 24.60, 24.58 levels, we can say further drop can be expected towards 24.50, 250 and then 24.44, 40 levels as the next targets. Yes, if it breaks from here currently, it is taking the support, and if it breaks from the current level, certainly more bearish momentum is going to prevail here. Stochastic rising. MACD on the 3 hour charts have taken a crossover, trading with divergence, is staying bearish here. RSI is also looking down, signs of bearishness here. On the 4 hour, let's talk a little about where it will turn bullish. Again, as I shared and discussed earlier in the day, only about 24.75, 76 zone you can say that gold will turn bullish, and thus we have to wait for it to break past by that zone, that is 24.75, 76. As long as it stays below 75, 76, we have to be watchful, careful, alert. You should not treat this as bullish. And if you look at the 4 hour charts here, see what has happened here. It is trading in this retracement channel after the drop here. Also, if you look at these three candles, it has formed a very good support here. So it needs to break below 24.60, 60, 58 zone in order to trade with bearishness, and then the 20 period moving average sitting at around 24.50 is going to be a very good, and this time I expect that if it breaks below 24.50, more bearishness is going to prevail, and in fact we can look forward to 24.40 levels as well. The stochastic rising, the MACD has crossed over here at the top, trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. This suggests that it has a lot much of downside available here. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to daily, before we look into daily charts, if you also want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or connect with me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker, the recommended broker link is also there in the channel and video description. Yes, it offers a safe-free account, low HS spreads and no hidden charges. So do join and enjoy trading. Now look at the daily charts. See, on the daily charts, you can find out gold is trading in this bullish channel. Also, this was an extremely bullish candle here. Then we have seen a swing, and now for the day, it has started with slight bullishness. It has started on a flat note. It has formed a little wick on the upside. Now, imagine if it breaks here on the downside, lower highs are done. We can expect lower lows. It can try to retrace, and thus 24.40 appears to be an achievable level if it reverses from the current levels. However, as I said, as long as 24.50 is not taken, you should not trade gold as bearish. It can bounce back strongly. Also look at the divergence of the price from the 20 period moving average, which is sitting at around 2400 2390 levels, and too much of divergence calls for it to converge, and that is what we can see a little retracement. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent in bullish, and RSI overbought as well. Looking See, ideally we should wait for 2476 levels, but it is a far above level, so you can buy here at 2468. Expect 2472, 2475, 76 as the two resistances. Beyond that, 2480 and 2484.85. Any move beyond 2485, just close your eyes, stay bullish. We are looking forward to 2491 and 2500 levels as well. Any move above 2485, again I am re-emphasizing, close your eyes, stay bullish. You can look forward to 2491, 2500 levels as well. Be watchful. On the downside, I expect that there has to be little retracement. Thus, take a selling entry at around 2460 58 levels. Expect it to move towards 2455 54, 2450, and then 2444 45, 2440. Till 2440, we have got good support here. Below 2440, the bears will take over completely. And in fact, we can see gold moving towards 2430, 2420 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver on the early charts. After the sharp drop, it has retraced here. It is trading in this retracement channel. You can say this drop retracement, finding it difficult to break past the resistances at 3060 on the upside. Now we have to wait for it to break below 3030 levels. When you see the higher prices below 3030, you can take a selling entry, and below that also you can expect it to move towards 30 20 $30 levels as the first support levels. Below 30 is where we can say the bears will take over completely towards 2975, 2950 levels. Stochastic here, looking downwards, trying to trade bearish. MACD under retracement, it is looking upwards, it is showing signs of bullish. RSI running flat here. Coming to 2 hour chart. On the 2 hour chart, see divergence of the price from the moving average. It is retraced towards the moving average 20 period. Moving averages are trading with divergence, signs of bearishness here. Thus, now we have to wait for it to break below 3030, which will confirm a breakout here, below which also 30 20 $30 levels are going to be very good support. Below $30 levels, more bearishness to prevail. The stochastic looking down, MACD is on the verge of a crossover, and this is a bullish cross, and it is not necessary that a crossover has to be there. It is converge, and now it can start to diverge again. RSI comfortable. Coming to 3 hour chart, likewise on the 3 hour chart, the drop, the retracement, and see it is still under retracement. Also, if you look at the preceding candle, it is a swing candle, higher highs, higher lows. Thus very important for silver to trade below 3030, which will confirm its move on the downside, taking it towards the lows here. Remember, one bearish candle, retracement, and a breakout here can bring strong bears, which can in fact take it towards 2975, 2950. But right now it is not showing any such sign. As long as 3020 is not taken, 30 20 $30 levels should be a very good support. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, trying to RSI running flat. Coming to 4 hour chart, the observation on the 4 hour charts is almost same. See, only worry point here is the preceding candle, which is a swing candle, and thus it is very important for it to break below the lows here, which will confirm that it is taking a direction here. See, after the drop, it has retraced, and the direction if it takes, I will wait for $30 levels to be taken, which will confirm its bearish move on the downside. The crossover here in the moving averages is definitely a sign that the silver is turning bearish here. Stochastic rising, the MACD is still bearish, the RSI is also flat here. Coming to daily, now look at the daily charts. What has happened on the daily charts here is, see, one bullish candle, retracement, then again a higher highs, then retracement, again highs here, and a retracement. So with every rise, it is getting offset with a equally sharper drop, and it is also creating lower lows here. So a flat top and lower lows is an expanding triangle, which is certainly a bearish sign here. Now on the upside, the resistance here at 3050, 3060 is strong. Thus it needs to break beyond 3060 in order to confirm its movement towards 3080 and plus levels. Right now I can see it is getting a stronger resistance there on the. Also remember one thing, that see, one bearish candle, in even if the second candle turns bearish and it just gives the support, or even if it stays half the size of the preceding candle, we can say that silver might slide towards 2975.80 and lower levels. Possibility exists. If you look at the movement here on the daily charts, this was the bearish move, retracement, and though it is trading in this bullish channel, but a breakout or a move on the downside is what you should be cautious of. If you look at the stochastic, this is already rising. The MACD on the daily charts have taken a crossover. This is slight bearish sign, and RSI is almost flat. So looking at this, I will recommend you to sell here at 30. and where the first support levels at 30.15 $30 levels should come into picture. Below $30 levels is where the bears are, where you can look forward to 29.75 29.50 levels as the next targets. On the upside, you can buy here at 30.60. When you see the lower prices above 30.60, you can initiate a buying entry. 30.75 30.80 as the first target, 31 as the next. Remember, 31 and 31.20 is the zone it needs to break in order to confirm a reversal, the chances for which appears to be less. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Press the bell icon. Do watch the next update tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. Join the mentorship batch, join the Signals channel, and you can connect with me for your queries. My Telegram and email ID is there in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank